nations. Luke 12 and verse 48. But the one who did not know and did what deserved a beating will receive a light beating. Everyone to whom much was given, on whom much will be required, and from him to whom they entrusted much, they will be damned the more. They will be damned. If you have received much from the Lord, and if you reject, you will face a greater condemnation. And this is the warning. Every time, every now and then, whether in the class, over there in the church, we have warned you from the Bible again and again and again. I would tell that you guys are the most privileged people in the world. Learning truths, hearing the gospel being repeated in the church again and again and again. And if you are, if you harden your heart and stubborn and reject the truth of the word of God, you will have a greater condemnation. Woe to you, Capernaum, the Lord said. He pronounced curse to this particular city. Why? Because it is in this city that he publicly displayed his power. Publicly he preached in this city. And in this city he claimed to be what? The Messiah. And yet, they reject. He did many miracles in this very place. Therefore, do not long for miracles. Long for the message. Because there will be false prophets and false teachers who will do miracle, right? In the book of Matthew, we read that again and again. They will deceive many. Even what? The elect. The problems with the Christianity is they don't like the message. They are running towards miracle. And that is why they don't grow. And most of them have fallen into heresies. And most of them have sit in a church that there is no gospel at all. A lot of junks. But sadly, the churches today do not draw crowd by the prioritize of the ministry of the Word of God. They draw crowd because of what? By music and entertainments. Even yesterday, someone told me the music ministry is too short and I think it's not really nice, and you have to teach them more songs, they're saying to me. Why? He said to me, because the music will draw crowds. In my heart, I said we don't want to draw crowd by music, we draw crowd by the word of Christ. And if they don't want to hear the word of Christ, we will not give any music to them, whether in the church or outside of the church. Our prioritize is the word ministry, not the entertainment ministry. The church is dead today. Listen to me, church. The church is dead today because of entertainments and clown in the pulpit rather than pastor who handle the word of God correctly and rightly.